today we have here the top one diffuser for the S2000, and sorry if you guys could hear the wind. It's super windy today, but right now we're gonna start mocking up where it's gonna be, and then just put the bolts on and it should be on. Seems pretty easy. All right, so right here we have these little pieces. I don't know what they would be called, but they have holes right there and right there, and it actually lines up pretty good right there. And it's gonna drill some mark it right there, and then drill the holes so we can mount those up on both sides. And then from there we're gonna have to put on the bracket where it's somewhere, I don't know where it is, but the brackets are gonna go from right there to I think where the sway bar goes. And then these little clips right here are just going to be where the bolt goes from here to there. So the drill bit you guys are going to use is a 1/4 inch for all 4 holes. 6 holes. 6 holes. I don't want to drill into it no more. Nobody will ever know. Except all you guys that are watching. Alright, so we're gonna start installing them, get them fitted, and then we'll see when we put them both on. No wonder we were so slow. Look how many rocks we have. It was all up in the bumper. Probably could take out more. Hold on, let's see. Yep, look at that. We have too many rocks on our road. That's why we have so many rocks. Plus these tires pick up a lot. They're so sticky. But right now, we're gonna get those brackets on. And we kind of mock it up, like put it up there. And my dad think it's kind of low, but I think it's just maybe flush with the bottom, but I don't know, we'll see. We put it up. See you guys when we do. And look at that. Diffuser looking good. Top1Motors. Looks sick. My dad took it out for a drive, and let's see if you guys can see right there with my finger. Right there. It melted onto it. And that's a rip, but that's the only issue, but can't do nothing about that because stock exhaust. And this thing looks sick at every angle. Yeah, looks pretty sick. That diffuser looks sick, like I said like a bunch of times. But if you guys like today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel with that notification bell on for more content like this. And until next time, peace.